Hi! In front of me is Motorola G14 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices settings and scrolling down to access sound and vibration. Following that, scroll down again and click on Vibration and Haptics. Now, to turn on Vibration and Haptics, click on Gray Switcher over here. To switch them off, tap on the same one again. If you decided to enable them, you can also manage all of those options by tapping on the switchers next to the chosen ones. This way, you can switch on or off haptic feedback for incoming calls, notifications, alarms, touches, and media. You can also enable or disable Vibrate first, then ring gradually option. Wherever you decided, when you're done, click on the back button. Scroll all the way down and click on those two switchers next to those two features, charging sounds and vibration. And always show icon when in vibrate mode to manage both of them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!